Hello everyone, welcome back. So in this video is about the principle of three-way switch or how a three-way switch works. So paano nga ba gumagana ang three-way switch? So these are the components of three-way switch: a supply voltage, then a switch. So this portion, this blue wire, let's classify this one as a switch number 2. So this one the switch number 2, and then the traveler, the yellow wire is the traveler 2. Then going to this switch, let's classify this switch as a switch number 1. Then the traveler number 1, the red wire, to complete the path of electrical circuits. So we need the two traveler. The red one is the traveler 1, and then the yellow wire is the traveler 2. Then the neutral directly connected to the bulb. Then coming supply voltage, the orange wire connected to the common terminal. This is the common terminal. And then this is the principal single pole double throw switch. This is the terminal of switch manually. So this is the manual simulation of a three-way switch inside the three-way switch. Then that's the off mode. This is the terminal of the double throw. So either switch off or on in the traveler 1 and then traveler 2. Now let's switch on. Connect this terminal to the traveler 1. Then as you can see, the light goes on. So umiilaw ang light. So nag-on po. So and then we can switch off in switch number 1. So switch and then connect this terminal. Either, assuming this is a double throw, connect this terminal to the traveler 1, traveler 2 rather, the yellow wire. This is the traveler 2. Now as you can see, the light is off. Then I switch on in the switch number 2. Then switch to connect to the traveler 2, the yellow wire. Now the light goes on. So nag-on pong light. So vice versa, we can switch off or on the light in switch number 2 or switch number 1. So the incoming supply voltage, the orange wire connected to the terminal, connected to the switch double through, connected to the traveler yellow wire. Then the yellow wire connected to the switch. Then the switch connected to the common terminal. Then connect to the light bulb. So that's the electrical circuit path completed. So in a large-scale application, we can apply this one in residential house, either the two-story residential building or house. Switch on in the switch number 2. Let's say the switch number 2 is the second floor. So we can switch on here. And then switch off in the switch number 1. Or vice versa. So switch on in switch number 2. The incoming supply voltage connected to the terminal, connected to the traveler 1, the red wire. And then connected to the switch 1, then common terminal, then lights on. So yan lang po ang connection ng three-way switch or the principle of three-way switch. So yung double throw, connect either to the traveler 2, yellow wire, then switch on in the switch number 1, connect the terminal to the traveler 2. Vice versa. So yan lang po yung principle. This is the manual simulation using a breadboard. So, using a typical switch, so pag mag-push po tayo ng switch or on off. So, ito lang yung principle. So, switch on in the switch number 2. Either we can switch off in switch number 1. So, here is my diagram. I draw this diagram for the